Yeah, the schedule here.
We'll make from the next time the next books, ready with the next book, and try with that.
Hmm. See here. Hello, good morning, children. Kirushi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Can you hear me? Apurva, can you hear me, Puta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will wait for a while until your friends comes for a while. We will wait for a 5 minutes time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So be ready with your textbooks, Puta. Take out your IT books and turn to page number 82. We are going to do Tux Paint. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Puta. Okay. Now get ready with your textbooks and turn to the chapter number 6, Tux Paint. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We will wait for the others for a while.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. Good morning, Puta. Right. So today we are going to do the chapter number 6, Tux Paint. Okay. So Tux Paint. So have you installed Tux Paints in your machines?
Yes.
All of you? I can see now Hiroshi, Apurva, and Shavindi's brother. Uh, did you all install in your machines, Puta? Can you hear me?
I install.
You installed, Puta? Okay. So we will see again. Okay, those who are not installed, how to install, right? So today we are going to do the lesson, chapter number 6, Tux Paint. Okay. So we will just see first of all what is Tux Paint and how we are going to install it. Okay. Yeah. So I will start. Okay. Right. So starting Tux Paint. So before you want to use this Tux Paint, you have to install that. So you can download this Tux Paint on the following link. So it's in your book also. Okay. So you can download. There's a code www.tuxpaint.org/download Windows. Right. Then you have to double click the Tux Paint 0.9.24 installer. Right. Then it will download to your computer, right? Then you have to double click the run file. Then to start the Tux Paint, you have to click the Tux Paint window, or double click the Tux Paint icon in your desktop. So I will show you by practically after this presentation, and I will just show you how to download also online here, right? Also, right? So we will just see first of all how you're going to do. Then I'll just show you how to do by step by step. Okay, Puta? Right. So we just go to next one. So we can, when you're going to start a Tux Paint, you have two ways. One is we call the Tux Paint full screen, right? Full screens means you can see the full screen. Once you see the full screen, sometimes you cannot use some options or the some tools there, right? So then other one is we call the Tux Paint window. So window means according to window your desktop size, it will arrange the size of the screen. Okay. So we can see, you can see Tux Paint in the full screen also and the Tux Paint in window. So not open Tux Paint, normally we open in window because the full screen mode, all options are cannot be seen. So there are some options, it will be not visible, right? Then once you start, okay, this is screen. So this is very important, right? So you can see here, so it's in your book also, right? It's in the page number 83. So, right? So first one we can see in the your left side corner, it's called toolbar. So it has all the tools you need to your drawings, right? Then the number 2, you have the drawing canvas. So where you draw everything, you are painting, every pasting, those all are there. Then the number 3, we have the called selector. So selector means if you select a brush, a particular brush, we have different brushes. So those we can select from this selector. Then you can see in the bottom, we have the color palette. So the color palette, you can pick color for your drawing. So if you are using a red pen, pencil or red brush, you can pick up the color first, then select the tool, then it will draw the red. So likewise, you can do. Then you can see that at the bottom, after the color, you can see the help area. Help area. So help area is giving you some hints or some clues to the particular tip. Now you can see in this screen, pick a color and a brush shapes to draw with. So that's the kind of here. A help is there. So they are giving now you can see small penguin symbols there. So you can see that is indicating your help. So what is this tool is used for that. Likewise. Okay, right? So here you can see what are these ones? Main screen parts of this Tux Paint. So first one we have what? It's the on the left side on the main screen. So left side we have in the toolbar, right? Then it contains on the drawings and editing tools. So drawings and editing tool. So number two, we have the drawing canvas. It is in the center of the screen. You can see that it is in the center of the screen, and that is the place where you draw your figures or your drawings. Then number three, we have the selector. It is on your what side? Right side. Right side of the main screen. Right side of the main screen. It shows what the various options for a particular tool you select. So if you select a brush tool, it has different brushes. Likewise, you can have those things. Then number four, we have the colors. So it's in the below of the drawing canvas. So it has 18 colors. So remember these numbers because these numbers will ask you in the exams. So exams you will ask how many colors in the tux paint you can select likewise. So underline like. Then number five we have the help area. So it is in the bottom. So bottom of the main screen. So it provides the tips and the other information about it. Okay. So now, okay, I'm going to show you how to download this Tux Paint to your machines. Okay, are you ready? Apurva? Chanu?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions up to here?
No.
No? Okay. So these are the details. So I will just show you now here how to do it, how to download to your machines if you don't have this Tux Paint. Okay. We will just see. Wait for a while. Okay. Can you see? Can you see the my screen now?
Yes, sir.
What can you see? You can see the Google, no? Internet. Can you see? Okay. Now I'm going to type. Okay. Now let's see how to do it, right? So you can follow this also at your home after this. Okay. So you want to find Tux Paint or in the Google, you just search Tux Paint. Okay. Likewise, here Tux Paint. You can say download. Tux Paint download. Then press enter. Okay. Now you can see there's a window coming, right? So just click this link. Tux Paint. You can see tuxpaint.org. I just click it here. All right. Now can you see now, right? Now you can see there are different ones. Sometimes you can see current version is you can see 0.9.24. But in your book, mentions Buddha is called 0.9.22. This is the latest one. So better to download the latest ones to your machines. It's better. Okay. Right. So if you are using the Windows, you have to click this Windows one. If you have an Apple computer at your home or you are using Apple machine, use Apple. If you are using a Linux, there's a called Linux also there. Linux we can use. But we are having Windows, therefore I go for the Windows. Okay, so just click it here. Okay, Windows 10. So your machines may be Windows 10 or be Windows 8 or Windows 7. So any of them is can install this Tux Paint to that particular machine. Okay, so I just click this link. So just see that. All right, now you can see another window coming, right? I say Tux Paint for Windows. Now you can see sometimes some children have questions. Sir, I have installed Tux Paint, but no, the stamps are not there. No, those pictures are not coming. So I just give that what is the problem there also. So how can you figure out what is this problem? Okay. So for that, this one, so you have to download these two files. You can see the one is Tux Paint and Paint configuration. There's another link called rubber stamps. So you have to download both of them. So I'm going to download this both. Okay. So it's coming. Okay, so you can see it's now downloading here in this corner. You can see your left side corner is downloading, right? So until it's downloading, I just go to the other link. So what's that? This one. So we have to download that. So you can right click and you can say save the link there. Yeah, just click this. Then that also has to be downloaded. Okay, now you can see now 2 files are on the way. So it's downloading. So we just see. Okay. Can you see this, Puta? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You can see in this corner, you can see downloading, right? Now the first file, the small file is already finished. The stamps has a big file, little bit big file. So you have to wait for a while. Huh? Okay, now both files are ready. Okay, we're going to now install. So I go to the where I have downloaded. So we go to the show folder. Now you can see there are my two files. You can see Tux Paint this one and Tux Paint this one. So we just double click this one and see. So it's asked in the say yes. So we say okay. Hello? Now here you have to say I accept the agreement. Then for all the users, say next. Then say next. Then you can say Tux Paint that. Then we create a desktop shortcut also. Then say install. Right? The first file is okay. Then it will install Tux Paint only, but you not install those stamps. So therefore, you have to install the second one also. Okay, now finish. Right? Now you can see. So you just say quit for a while. Right? Okay, down is there. Right? So we just install the second one also. You double click it. Say yes. Let the language as English. Say I accept. Then press next button. Say select all the users. Say next and next, next and next. And okay. So after this, we just see how to draw something on the Tux Paint. Okay. Now the setup file is finished, so we just finish it, right? So we go to Tux Paint here. So Tux Paint. So you can see there are two views, right? Tux Paint full screen, Tux Paint windowed. So we just select the Tux Paint windowed one. Okay. So it's still loading. Can you see the screen, Buddha? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can no? Okay. Now with the sound it comes. Okay. We have sounds in your machine. Okay. Now this is your screen. So we learn now what is this? Okay. So what is this? This is called tools, right? This is the colors, and this is the selector, and this is the where we draw. Now, can you see now here? There's a paintbrush here. I can draw anything, anyone you want, right? So I can pick up the color, and I can select the brush stroke size here, right? Can you see? Can you see now the size of the brush? If I select the small size, I can select different color. Can you see? If I take a triangle, like basically, right? So here we can have this. Let's pick up this screen. Right? So you can see. Right? So you can see that they are in the help area. Select what is this dark green. It shows what is the color red, brown. It gives you a clue. It will give you a help for you in the help area. Right? Now, so here we just see our stamps are here. We just click the stamps. Here you can see these pictures are here. Right? So these pictures here. If I want to have a frog, you can say they have frog. You can see that it give a help also. Frog with the sound also. Some have some sounds and some are not. Okay. So here a crow. A crow. You can put a crow. Right. So here is this paint. So you can do painting. Right. So how are you going to take a new one? So now this is a drawing now. So I want to take a new drawing. So for that one, we have to use this new button in the tools. So once you create a new, you have to select what is the canvas color you want. Now already I have said white one. If you want to have a black one, yellow one, or blue one, you can select any of them. So if you go further, you can see here there are different canvas or the colors you want to have. Right. So I will just select this color, then double click it. So this is a right. Now you can see my canvas color is now what? Pink color. Now my canvas is pink. So right. So I can put now my crow here. Right. So here we have so many here. If you want to have a frog like that, you can have bow. Now how can you make this bow small and small? That is the way he have this one. Make small like that. Right. So if you want to have sunglass, you can put a sunglass here. You make it small or maybe big. Like that you can put. Right. So these are stamps. Right. First we will just see how to draw these paintings and those things. Right. Okay. So we can have this. We can go further. You can see cakes. Yeah. You can make nice a birthday card if you want. Then or you can make a nice. There are so many electronic items here. You can take it, please. Right? So you just pick up this the stamps you want, and so you can select these eyes. Have eyes like that. You can have. So this one. Just take this face for it. So we just make this face, and I can put a eye too big, so I will make it small. Like this. I can put the hairstyle if you want, like that. We have these options. Okay. Then if you go to another one, so we can see the some flowers, some plants. Likewise, then likewise you can have. Right. So there are jets. Right. Likewise. Okay. So we will just see these tools one by one on next week. Okay, Buddha. Any questions up to here, Buddha?
No, sir.
Now, can you do a tux paint at home?
Yes, sir.
Can no. Now I show you how to install at your home as well as how to load it and how to make it. Okay. Right.
All right.
Okay. Okay. So I will stop for today. So if any questions, please tell me. Okay. So I stop today and tell others to join. Only few have joined today. Only 4 of your friends has joined. And tell other friends also to join in your group the next week. Okay. Okay. Thank you for joining today. So have a nice day. Okay. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Putha. Bye. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.